Alright folks, welcome to Fishing with TR. I'm doing the intro right here at the end because I want to go ahead and tell you, if you can stick around to the end, you're going to see a personal best from me. It's been a fantastic morning. It's starting to drizzle a little bit right now. It's Saturday, but I got some work I got to go do. I got to get caught up a little bit for work. But guys, it's been a phenomenal morning, and glad you found the channel. As always, guys, I'll ask you to like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. As always, guys, I encourage some back and forth. But anyway, I hope your weekend's a good one. Let's catch some fish. Good morning. Fish on. Joker's full of fight. All right, fish number one. We'll say a 15-pound, 18-pound fish, catfish. He's pooping all over my daggum boat. All right, fish number one. Whee! All right, for our river, that is a pretty healthy channel cat. And this current makes a 7 or 8 pounder feel like a 15. All right, this rod has been hung up for about 30 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes, and I thought I might have to go retrieve it, but I just left it, and guess what? This fish, he just pulled us loose. Say thank you, channel cat. He's cute. Said it before, I'll say it again. Sometimes I don't know how they get the hook. It's action. Ooh, that's a striper. Ooh, he's killing that dragon. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's gonna take it off. We got a good one. Oh my gosh, he's gonna spool me. We got to turn him. Oh, you got to turn, man. You got to turn. You got to turn. Come on, turn. I see my knot. He is a long way out there. Holy crap. I can't even turn him. I don't know if you can see my spool, but I got about, I don't know, I don't have that many turns left. All right, I got him coming this way. Woo-hoo-hoo! Stay buttoned up, buddy, stay buttoned up. Ah, that's a good one. Well, at least he's got the current with him. Oh, I hope he stays buttoned up. Golly. Oh man, he's got, I need him to turn into the current. It's a good fish. It is a good fish. Oh, holy mackerel. Alright, I got him coming this way. Oh, that's a hog. Woo, I hope he stays buttoned up. That's a good fish. kind of tough one man. He's ours. He's ours. Oh my gosh, he's a toad too now. Oh my gosh. That is as close as I've ever been to being spooled. He almost got it all. That was a good hook set too. He wasn't going nowhere. All right, guys. This is my personal best striper. 30 pounds. 30. Oh my gosh. Hog. Almost spooled me. I need to get him back, so 30. Oh my gosh, what a fish. Oh, he's ready to go. Mission accomplished, y'all. Mission accomplished. Woo!